Yeah, so the key factors, I think there's two key factors at the beginning of your journey when you're deciding to procure some new software or extend your current software. And I think the first one is, it sounds obvious, but understanding what it is you need rather than just the why you need it. So a lot of our clients understand they've got pain points, they've identified places in their workflows and their systems that they need to improve on. But then when they look to their tech stack, it can be very overwhelming to be like, to what extent do I need to replace my existing software? Do I need to do a whole overhaul? Can I extend with maybe an extra tool or something that can fit into my current process to address those pain points? And so understanding the what is really the first thing you need to get over. And then the second factor, once you understand that, is the how. And again, that's if you've got technical talent in-house, could be a decision to build it in-house. Do you want to dedicate the time and costs, and do you have the expertise in-house to be able to do that? Do you want to outsource it? And then when you outsource it, you've got the question of, do you want to go again for a full bespoke solution where you can go and spend a lot of time and money building something completely bespoke, or are there products already out there that are ready to go off the shelf that have the quick time to market, but have the ability to be able to customize to your own desires and business requirements as well? Yeah, so it's obviously it's a big decision to make to upgrade your tech stack and expand, and there's a lot of risks come with it. I think the first one is obvious, again, of getting it right, making sure you're building the right thing. And to do that, you need to make sure you're partnering with a software vendor and a software partner that understands your business, understands your workflows, and has prior experience in the industry and with similar clientele. And once you've nailed that down, then there's the operational risks in terms of, again, building the right thing, but also the migration process, the go live of either transitioning from an old system to a new one. You need to make sure there's experience there, or launching one alongside current systems. You want to make sure you're not disrupting your day-to-day operations. And then the one that people overlook, the final one, is long-term support is key. There's a lot of systems out there that are new and flashy and great, and then the support just isn't there in the long term. And then when regulations change, requirements change, you have a new idea or a new thing you want to improve in the system, you want to make sure that the partner you've partnered with is there to support you over the many years to come, to keep that software alive and fit for purpose. Yeah, so generally our clients are always looking to get the one or more of the following three things, which is to drive revenue, reduce costs, or reduce risks. And over the last few years, we've seen a trend in terms of driving revenue towards this desire to incorporate new asset classes, so expand their product offering to their clients, existing clients, and draw in new clients. And in terms of optimizing for their current workflows and streamlining their current workflows to reduce costs, we're seeing a goal towards fixing cross-system communication, both internally and externally. And so internally, that's looking like, in terms of technology, centralizing data across your systems, making sure you don't have to log into 2, 3, 4, 5 different systems to complete one workflow. And also having those open APIs and interface layers to be able to communicate both with your internal systems, as well as bringing new systems, such as new market data feeds and that sort of stuff. And that also builds into the revenue generating thing where you can more easily expand your current product offering when you've got all that centralized stuff. And I think that's only going to accelerate in the coming years, because with AI on the horizon, a key milestone and roadblocks for integrating AI into your current business practices is this idea that you're going to need to have this centralized data pool to be able to access and train these models on, and you're also going to need to have these interfaces for the AI models and new tools and platforms to be able to integrate with your existing software. Yeah, so I think Sinara, I can toot my own horn, I think Sinara is uniquely placed based on, we have over 30 years of experience in the industry building these systems, so we can draw on that knowledge to help our clients figure out exactly what it is they need. Again, they'll come to us with problems, with pain points, stuff they want to work on, and before we even start talking about solutions for the problems, we'll work with them from the get-go in the requirements phase to identify what we think might help and solve that problem for them. And as my new role as head of product, it was going to be my role to think of new and inventive, fun ways to improve their systems, solve their trading problems for them. And alongside that, I'm very proud to say that I'm now the head of our TLC, our trading lifecycle product suite, where again, we've got these pre-built products that are off the shelf, that are ready to go, but also open API designed to share data, both with their own product suite in terms of their own trade management, order management systems, but also they integrate with existing systems. And so you don't have to replace your entire system in one go. We can work with you iteratively through that. We can upgrade the most high priority pain points immediately, and then over time, look to improve other areas of the business and that sort of thing. So yeah, we're uniquely positioned, I think.